If you're looking for safe and comfortable fireside relaxation, then a fireplace screen is essential. Available in a variety of different designs to match your style, fireplace screens add extra protection from burning embers and stray sparks. In this video, we'll show you how to measure your fireplace in order to determine the correct screen size. Grab a tape measure and a pad of paper, and let's get started. Before you take any measurements, it's important to know that your fireplace screen is going to sit on your Hearth extension, which is a non-combustible platform at the front of and on the sides of your fireplace opening. If you don't have a Hearth extension on your fireplace, then you're going to need to build one. Otherwise, the screen won't work as intended. The first measurement that you're going to need to take is the height of your fireplace opening, followed by the width of your fireplace opening. You'll want to have an accurate measurement for later, so be sure to be writing these down as you go. Your fireplace screen should overlap the opening of your fireplace by at least 1 inch on the top and 1 inch on both sides. In order to achieve that, you'll add 1 inch to the height measurement of your fireplace opening. Then, you'll want to add 2 inches to the width of your fireplace opening to account for both sides. For example, if you have a height of 29 inches, you'll add 1 inch to that, making it a total of 30 inches. If your width measurement is 31 inches, you'll add 2 inches to it, making it 33 inches. So going by these new dimensions, your fireplace would need a screen that roughly has a height of 30 inches and a width of 33 inches. You can use these two new measurements as a guide to choose the right fireplace screen for you. If you already have a fireplace screen but would like to replace it with a new one, simply use the existing screen as a measuring guide. Take the old screen off your fireplace, lay it down flat, and measure both the height and the width. You can use these exact dimensions to purchase a new screen that fits perfectly. Now that you know how to correctly measure your fireplace, you'll have no problem finding a screen that will add the ambience you're looking for while keeping you and your whole family safe. If you have any other questions regarding fireplace screens or you're ready to buy one, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com.